Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In this part, we'll cover storing, serving, and enjoying your homemade strawberry jam, plus easy ideas for breakfast, snacks, and gifts. There is something special about a jar of strawberry jam on the table. The bright red color, the sweet smell, and the little bits of soft fruit feel like summer in a spoon. When you use fresh strawberries, the flavor is bold and warm, not flat or fake. You do not need to be a trained cook to make good jam. With a few basic ingredients and a regular kitchen pot, you can turn ripe berries into a small batch of homemade strawberry jam. In this video, you will learn how to pick strawberries, follow a simple recipe, store your jam safely, and enjoy it in easy breakfasts and snacks. If you can stir a pot, you can make this jam at home. What is strawberry jam and why make it at home? Strawberry jam is a sweet spread made by cooking strawberries with sugar. As the fruit cooks, the juices come out and mix with the sugar. The mixture thickens into a glossy, scoopable spread you can use on toast, biscuits, and desserts. Store-bought jam is handy, but it often tastes very sweet and sometimes a bit flat. Many brands use extra thickeners, color, and flavor to keep every jar the same. This is fine for a quick sandwich, but it rarely has the bright, fresh taste of real berries. Homemade jam is different. You control what goes into the pot and what stays out. You can use less sugar if you want a softer, fruit-forward spread. You can choose organic strawberries or berries from a local farm. You can skip artificial colors and flavors. With homemade jam, the flavor comes from ripe fruit, not from a long ingredient list. Strawberry jam is also a smart way to use berries that are very ripe. Those soft berries that might spoil tomorrow are perfect for cooking today. Buying strawberries in season can be budget-friendly too, since berries often cost less when they are at their peak. A jar of homemade jam also makes a kind, personal gift. A small label and a ribbon around the lid can turn a simple jar into something special that friends and family will actually use. Jam versus jelly versus preserves, what is the difference? These three spreads all come from fruit and sugar, but the texture is different. Jam uses crushed or chopped fruit. It has small bits of fruit in every spoonful. Jelly uses only fruit juice. It is smooth and clear, with no chunks. Preserves have larger pieces of fruit, sometimes almost whole berries. Kids and adults often prefer strawberry jam for sandwiches because it spreads easily and still has a soft, fruity texture. It feels more like real strawberries, not just sweet gel. Benefits of homemade strawberry jam for taste and health. Homemade strawberry jam usually tastes fresher and brighter than most store brands. When you cook ripe berries soon after picking, you keep more of their natural flavor and color. You also get to control the sugar level. While jam is still a sweet treat and should be eaten in moderation, you can often use a bit less sugar than some commercial jars. You can also pick high-quality or organic berries if that matters to you. Another plus is that you do not need artificial colors, corn syrup, or long shelf-life preservatives at home. Your ingredient list can be as simple as strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Jam is not health food, but homemade versions can be a bit kinder to your body and much kinder to your taste buds. How to make easy strawberry jam at home, step by step. Making strawberry jam on the stove is simple. You cook strawberries with sugar and a little lemon juice in a medium pot until it thickens. You do not need a canning setup for this small batch method. That wraps up part 2. Enjoy your homemade jam and happy cooking. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.